So scientifically, I'm interested in star formation, and in particular I'm interested in brown dwarfs, which are the objects which are smaller than stars but bigger than planets. So let's say something between stars and planets. And here, when I'm at the observatory, I help operating one of the 4 telescopes. So I'm in charge of the UT4 and the instruments that we have on that telescope. What I like about my job is that it's always interesting. There's always something new to do. For example, if we investigate some problem and we try to understand it, and we understand it a bit better, but then this often opens even more questions. And so this gives you new directions in how a direction in which to follow your investigation. So I think it's never boring. So I started to be interested in science in general, but in astronomy very early in my life. And since I couldn't study astronomy back home because in Croatia there is no degree in astronomy, I decided to study physics. And then later I went to Germany to actually pursue the studies in astronomy. At the beginning it was not that easy, maybe because there were not really no resources. There are very few telescopes back home, and so basically it was mostly me reading books, because I always liked to read and study. So so most of what I knew was coming from the books. And but studying science, deciding this was somehow easy for me, because it was always clear for me that I would do something connected to natural sciences. And also my mom is a physics and math teacher, so she was also encouraging me in this career. I think astronomy is maybe a little bit better than other branches of physics, for example, or maybe engineering. So in astronomy there are a bit more of the women, at least until the stage of the career in which I am right now. So in the grad school and at the postdoc level as well, but later at more senior positions, astronomy is still male dominated, yes. I think the only recommendation is not to fear anything, just to go, you know, knowing about your capabilities. If you know that you can do something, then you can do it. And it doesn't matter if you're a girl or a boy, it's the same for everyone, I think.